My name is Asia Dorsey. I am a bioregional herbalist and nutritional therapist. And today we are making curry kraut. To begin, I like to bless the space and the vessels. This particular herb is a local sage of my beautiful bioregion here in Colorado. Their antimicrobial, antiviral qualities that exist in the smoke itself. We have our classic green cabbage and red cabbage. Both of them are very rich in vitamin C. We'll start off by cutting the cabbage. So big pieces like this, I'll usually cut it into 3. We're going to reserve this outer leaf to create the seal. I'm salting the cabbage as I go. Next, we're breaking down the plant cell wall in order to release those juices. I like pounding the kraut. I feel like it helps to engage my arms and my heart. And also, as a West African, pounding is everything to our culinary tradition. And so there are these beautiful synergies that I get to make German-style sauerkraut, but still use the traditional practice of pounding that comes from my ancestors. As we're pounding, we're going to start to introduce some of the spices. The first spice is going to be coriander. And so we're going to be using about 5 tablespoons. And then the next spice is cumin. Cumin has those really wonderful carminative qualities, which means it helps with bloating and digestion. This next spice that we have is Fennel. Fennel is a herb that loves the ladies, baby. Fennel is known as a galactagogue, and that means it helps to stimulate breast milk production. It's also used against menstrual cramping, colic in babies. We have mustard. What I love about mustard seeds is that they're rich in antioxidants, which help to detoxify the body. The next plant we have is fenugreek. Ooh, fenugreek. Eat a lot of fenugreek, your sweat's gonna smell like maple syrup. Fenugreek is very, very rich in some quite significant fibers. We got paprika. I love paprika because I love red bell peppers. Actually, red bell peppers are one of the highest food sources of vitamin C that you'll find in the grocery store. What that means is that paprika is a lot of vitamin C and vitamin A plus bomb flavor. Lastly, we have our golden girl. We have our turmeric. It's a top tier anti-inflammatory. So now that we've added our spices, we're gonna finish pounding, but as we pound, now we get to pound in some of those spices. So we know that we are done pounding. When we squeeze it, we'll see water flowing down like a river. So this is ready. We're just gonna combine them. This smells so good. I just wanna eat it. So now it is time to pack our kraut. Now, how long should we ferment for? The answer is it depends. For me, the indicator that the fermentation is done is we see a change in color, we see a change in texture, and the longer I ferment, the more the nutrition and medicinal qualities of the herbs and spices are potentiated. But what's important for you to remember is that we want to ferment it in a dark place. We don't want it exposed to direct sunlight. I want you to see how inside the jar we have this beautiful brine. Now, the rule for brine, keep it under the brine and it will be fine. So one of the ways that we're gonna do that is by using the cabbage leaf itself as an airlock. We're just gonna take that cabbage leaf and we're gonna press it down, down, down. And now all that you have at the top is the brine and maybe just a little bit of cabbage leaf. Okay, and we done. So it's been a few weeks. And now it's time to taste our wonderful curry kraut. That was amazing. I'm so proud of us. Look what we made. It's so good. I can't get over how good it is.